Hey guys, welcome back. I wanted to unbox the November 2023 Color Kitz collections, all of the goodies, all of the things. So what do we want to start with? Let's start with mixed media. Let me swatch them really quickly and I'll show them to you, but let me give you guys a fab little preview for how this is going to go. Oh my gosh, like that tells me my whole story right there. Okay, let me swatch really quickly. We're going to show you the paper kits, the color kits, and the bonus bundle. Okay, y'all, let's jump into it. My very first color, it is a Vibes, and it is called Raisin Cane. It's a brand new color, and guys, the Vibes have like this beautiful, like little sparkle shine kind of thing going on. They're a vibrant, as it were. But guys, look. It's like deep raisiny purple. So cool. So that's my first one. My next one, also a Vibes. And you can see that it's like, it's called Hot Fudge. How fun is that? So it's this nice, rich brown tone, roughly the color of Hot Fudge. Then I have an Inklings called Ruby Lost Her Slipper. So the Inklings, you add a little water to it. 30 seconds to a minute before you want to use it. It will be ready when you are. And such a fabulous color payoff on that. Next, I have Christmas Cheer. My Christmas Cheer is a Shimmerz. So Shimmerz come with the liquid already in them, Shimmerz and Blings. Shimmerz were the original paints. It is a gorgeous golden tone. But look at that. Perfect. Guys, look at this color palette. And then the gold and roses, it's right here. It's a Blings, right? Which means we've got this great glitter in it. It is like, and I'm hoping the camera will pick it up. Can you see like that iridescent-y glitter happiness in there? So that's the color kits. Now, if you get the bonus bundle, you get a custom sequin mix, and this has the gold tones and all of those purple raisiny tones, right? And then you get an Inklings with it, and this one is the kind that you add the water to, and this one's in the color Honeymoon, and I actually don't have this color. Super excited. I destroyed my label. I did, although it looks kind of cool too. So that is the color kits and the bonus bundle. Now, let me move this to the side. Have to get my little mixed media bin put out here so that I can have these on my desk all month. One of those things I like to do. Let this dry. Now, is this all dry? Perfect. So let's get into the papers that come in the paper kits. So we've got this gorgeous one. Oh, this is one of those times, guys. Then I'm like, you got to see how well curated these are. So we've got all of these great, like, mauvey, purpley, perfect tones. Goes just like spot on. Wonderfully curated. So we've got, I think it goes this way, florals on the diagonal. Super gorgeous, great pattern. Let's see what we have here. Oh, I hate when they do this. I totally have to fussy cut these out. They are stunning. Because I loved this. I'm like, oh, that would make such a great border. But look at this, that artwork. Yep, totally gonna be fussy cutting them right out. I should just do it right now and be done with it. So pretty. So we have that. Ooh. Okay, the next one is like the Raisin Cane color, but we've got some nice variegated kind of tones with it. So super saturated. And we've got little stars, and then there's these little lines going joop, 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 joop. So cool. And then the flip side is a fussy cutting paper. Oh my gosh. So we've got the ginkgo leaves and then other leafy bits, and it's stunning. Gosh. And now we've got more leafy bits, but this is getting more into that Christmas cheer color with a little bit of the green. Oh, how pretty, guys. They're like these gorgeous wildflowers. Oh my goodness. I wonder if I'm going to have a full-size sheet by the time I'm done cutting all of the bits. So this is a lot more delicate, bright white background like everything. But we've got this color. It's more of like that honeymoon color. I think that's so pretty with a little bit of the Ruby Lost Her Slippers. Cute. And then we have got the gorgeous ginkgo again and these beautiful wildflowers. Oh my, guys, look at this color. So we've got this gorgeous bit on the bottom with pumpkins and gourds and amazing artwork. That's what we have. Yes, we do. I love it. Love it. And then, oh my Lanta, look at this. They knocked it out of the park with these gorgeous watercolor scenery bits. So pretty. Love that. Then, oh guys, look at these autumn leaves. They look watercolored and they are flowing into each other. Beautiful. Oh, and then this side, it's this gorgeous repeating, you know, like those gorgeous white pumpkins. That kind of a pattern. So that's soft and pretty and a little bit more delicate. Now we've got big giant leaves again, and we've got these nice coneflower looking things. They look like, you know, they're on that edge of getting dried. Oh, pretty. And so now we've got this gorgeous repeating background with like these little berries and leafy bits. Pretty, pretty. Okay, so this is softer yet. I mean, I know we've got a little bit of that gorgeous like golden roses color in there, but it's reads as like soft and pretty and delicate. Ooh, that is very dramatic for popping your photo down, and the artwork is totally done around it. Oh, wow. That is such a cool piece of paper. So cool. Okay, love that. Oh, and then this is fun. This has all these green leafy bits. So we're bringing in another tone, which I think is fantastic. Oh, and then a gorgeous background piece with just the stripey bits. What color do you think it is? It's kind of like the honeymoon color. That makes me wonder if that has anything to do with a wedding that they just had in their family. Okay, let's look at the goodies. The first thing that's interesting is from Felicity Jane. We have a tag set, and they're in bright white. And I bet, oh, and we've got like really gorgeous gold grommets. So we've got a big, giant set of honkin' tags, very big. And then we have got like 2 mediums and 2 smalls, and those would be fun to add paint to. Cool. We do have our dots, and I always like to see what they are every month. We have Hello Fall, a gorgeous maple leaf, and then a little white pumpkin with florals. Super pretty. Oh, we've got some stickers. I gotta get them out. Gotta get them out. Come on. Let's get the stickers out so we can see what we have. So we've got these. It's Warm and Cozy Days. We've got Family, Friends, Hello Autumn, Gather Together, Give Thanks, in this gorgeous little piece of artwork here. And then, let me get a little bin out. We have got, guys, they pre-cut for us, like that ephemera sheet we used to get. Now we get them pre-cut. So we can just get right to crafting, like from the get-go. Oh, there's so many pieces. There are so many pieces in here. Let's see. Oh, we've got this gorgeous pinky pumpkin. A nice little star. And Blue just decided to come in here and get his little nap on. Yes, he sure did. Little star. We've got leafy bits. A gorgeous pine cone. Oh, guys, look at these leaves. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to layer up all of the things. This little guy has my heart. And I took a picture recently of a fox, and I'm going to scrapbook my little fox friend with this. Should just leave him right out because he's getting used in like 2 seconds. A cute little squirrel. Some repeating leafy bits here. Ooh, look at those nice acorns that are bringing in that pop of orange like our fox. We've got some plummy leaves. Beautiful, beautiful artwork on these pumpkins. We've got a couple of little mushrooms. Cute. We have got, oh, look at these pumpkins and the leaves and the little berries. We've got, I have to nudge Blue, like for real. Blue, honey, Mama's recording. Okay, buddy. He's like, what? I'm sleeping. Gorgeous scene there with the florals and the pumpkins. Little branches here. Oh, look at this photorealistic little pine cone. Ooh, we've got a little mothy guy. Pretty, pretty. Look at this artwork. Oh, I love that. So gorgeous. Little white bits. So incredibly stunning with the watercolor flowing through it. So pretty. We have got these little florals that look kind of like they're almost like dried flowers. So pretty. Wondering what this pinky color is. Oh, a little bit bigger of a squirrel. Look at him. He's so cute. Oh, so we've got, it looks like a rose, and my roses just started blooming again, which I think is fantastic. It's like they kind of dull down during the heat of the summer, and then they pick back up. Beautiful flower, or beautiful leaves. More pretty leaves. Oh, we've got a bunny. Hello, bunny. How cute. Oh, look at that. Looks like a cone flower. Oh, another one of these scenes with the funky little gourd with the florals. And there we go. So guys, that is what I have for my complete Color Kits collections. Of course, there will be a cut file. There'll be all kinds of different things going on with the design team. So guys, come back, take a look at the blog, come onto our Facebook group, show us what you're doing with all of these goodies. And I will see you guys ever so soon with another video, probably using this kit. All right, bye for now, guys.